Hi, first grade readers. We are ready to start job number 3, and that is our listening drill or the auditory drill. Just like before, first I'm going to say a sound. Next, your job is to echo the sound. And last, your job is to air write or table trace the letters that make the sound I say. We'll do one just to remind ourselves of what's expected and remind ourselves of what to do, and then we'll keep going with the rest. So here we go. Listen carefully because I'm going to say your first sound. The sound is I. Say that with me. Say I. Good. Now, imagine in your brain, picture the letter that's making the sound I. Can you see a letter in your mind? The letter that I see is I, making the sound I. Try that with me. Let's practice air writing the letter I, saying its name. I. And now we say its sound one more time. I. Awesome work. Let's do the next one. Be ready to listen. The next sound is Z. Echo that sound with me. Say Z. Awesome. Close your eyes if you want to and imagine letters making the sound Z. What letters do you picture? I picture 2 different letters making the sound Z. The first one is Z, making the sound Z. And the next one is S, making the sound Z. We learned this year in first grade that S can sometimes sound like Z, like in the word bugs. Nice job, we got both. Listen for the next one. The sound is all. Echo that sound with me. Say all. Good. I'm picturing a glued sound making the sound all. Let's air write the letters. A, L, L. That makes the sound all. Awesome. Here's a few more. Listen. What says G? Echo that with me. Say G. Awesome. Let's get ready to trace or air write the letter that makes the sound G. I'm picturing G making the sound G, like game. Got it. Here's the next one. Listen carefully. The next sound is K. Say it with me. Say K. Good. This one's a little bit tricky. I'm picturing 3 different options, 3 different ways that we can make the sound K. The first thing I'm picturing is C, making the sound K. Try that with me. Say C, K. Good. The next one I'm picturing is K, making the sound K. Can you air write K, saying K? Go ahead. Awesome. Now there's one more thing I'm picturing in my mind that's making the sound K. Do you know what it is? C, K, and third, our digraph, CK. I'll move myself out of the way. There we go. CK, our digraph, can make the sound K. Let's air write it. C, K says K. And remember, we hear this sound at the end of words, like in the word back or pack, stack. After we hear a short vowel sound and we hear CK, it's always going to be at the end of a word. Let's move on to the last sound, or the last 2 sounds. Go ahead and listen. Get ready. The sound is Qu. Echo it with me. Say Qu. Good. Hold those fingers up to air write or air trace with me. The letters that make the sound Qu. I'm picturing Q, U, making the sound Qu, like queen. Awesome. We have one more sound. Listen closely. The sound is ang. Say it with me. Say ang. Great. Ooh, I'm a little stuck on this one, so I'm going to say the letters' names and the key word to help me. Ang, ang, A-N-G, fang, ang. I know. The letters that make the sound A are A, N, G. And those letters say ang in a glued sound. Nice job. All right, my friends, I'm going to give us a green check over here next to job number 3. We will move on in the next video to practice our word list reading. See you in a few minutes.